With a leaking roof full of tears, cracks, and pinholes, the owner of this popular mechanics shop in Denver, Colorado needed to find a solution that minimized disruption below. To keep the busy service station running, downtime was absolutely not an option. With over 24 million clients served annually at over 2,000 locations, it is common for each location to service over 30 vehicles daily. To allow this volume of activity to continue unimpeded, the owner needed to be thorough when considering roofing options. Not only would the right solution allow business as usual, but it also must be safe for the employees, customers, and property below. Ecodur is VOC-free, which makes it both safe for workers and non-disruptive. Ecodur has no maximum thickness and can fill even the biggest blisters, low spots, and holes in a single application. To prevent flying gravel from hitting a person or their car, all loose gravel was manually removed before running a power broom over the entire roof deck. With the deck dry and clean to the foreman's satisfaction, the crew began working on detailing. While one member worked on perimeter edging, the others focused on penetrations, HVAC pads, and substrate repairs. With the details and damaged areas addressed, it was time to move on to the field. From start to finish, this project took only a day and was completed before a storm moved in the following day. Because Ecodur cures quickly and repels water immediately, the roof was completely ready for the coming downpour. By choosing the Ecodur system, the owner was able to continue service to their customers while fixing the leaks and getting a roof that will protect their assets for decades to come.